So my springs got interrupted again. RV sat for like 2 weeks without running it. I go to pump up the shocks so I could work on them. I get the springs put in and starts dumping gas right under here. I can't tell what it is. It was coming right from this little chunk of rubber hose. I can't tell. Maybe feels like there's a cut on top, or that hose clamp, it just isn't nearly back far enough to make a good seal, and it just decided to leak. But I don't know. It was fine. It sat 2 weeks. Ran it, pumping up the air compressor, and it just started reeking like gas around here. I looked underneath, and this thing's just dribbling gas really bad. You can still see the marks. You still smell it too. Yeah, leaking pretty good. So went up to 2 auto parts stores, finally stopping at a Napa to find this 1/2-inch fuel line. Got 10 feet this time, since this is like the second time I had to hunt it down, just in case there's any more I need to replace. So yeah, I detached it at the fuel filter, took out this pipe, replaced this piece of hose, got some new hose clamps, a new sticker, some more decorations. Weather's cooled down, so those stink bugs have finally gone away. I retaped that middle one since it was lifting up, or maybe it's that one I was lifting up. But anyway, got those 3 taped up really good. Should be good for at least one rainy season, that packaging tape. This is a bit of a pain in the ass too, because it's hose clamps on upside down. Original piece of hose when they put the line in from 30 years ago. Yeah, oh wow. Yep. That'll do it. There's some original rubber. Ooh boy, look at that splitting everywhere, all the way around it. Wow. Another kind of a good thing I'm glad happened. Just decided to finally burst and leak out while I had I mean, yeah, if I had found that leaking, I would have not been able to drive. I wouldn't have driven. There's no way I would chance a fire, so that's definitely something I'm glad happened while I was here. So, yeah, sat 2 weeks, and enough is enough. Oh yeah. Some good hose clamps right there. Wilco. Alright, all good to go. I'll go ahead and replace that one and then we'll call it done. That one's definitely a bit newer, but not by much.